Yeah, today I'm talking about some like Netflix components and like the open source community that's been out there that they've been doing. I have some t-shirts here. FluxCapacitor.com is the name of the project. I've had this domain name for about 13 years and didn't really know what to do with it until about 6 months ago, so this is it. Yeah, so who am I? Ex-Netflixer. I was there for 2 years. I'm a certified Amazon like solution architect, Amazon partner, my company. Who are you guys? Yeah, you're DevOps, you're Velocity, focusing on performance, metrics, insight. You want alerts, you want zero downtime rollback, zero downtime deploys. Why did I do this? I was bored. Yeah, like I said, I had the domain name. Saw a need too, like when I left Netflix, people kept asking, hey, how do I integrate this component? How do I integrate that? So finally put it all together right here. Yeah, you can see I integrated Zookeeper, Cassandra, I've got DynamoDB, I'll talk about that in a little bit too. Graphite, Netty, that thing in the lower left is Guava. The best thing I could find for juice was that juice bottle there, and then, So there's actually 10 seconds devoted to this slide. So there's a lot of these components. I'm going to talk about 4 or 5 of the key ones that are for configuration and discovery. Here's some of the people using Flux right now. This is kind of funny. There's my buddy William Yang. He's some guy in China that like contacted me out of nowhere and apparently loves this shit. So he's been like my most vocal person out there in China. So Flux Capacitor actually led to a Netflix tech blog. It's called Recipes RSS. This was going to be kind of a boring slide, so I threw in the fact that my team won an Emmy last year. Yes, I'm not sure if you guys knew about this. I didn't even know about it until about like 3 months ago for technical engineering something or other. Okay, so these are the Flux. So this is based on Amazon. I've got an optimizer right now for Amazon. Pretty much using all of those components there. This is kind of a busy slide, but I just want to point out Adrian Cocroft up there. That picture creeps me out. Yes, I think about it every night. It's from Time Magazine or Business Week or something. So the other part of that slide, it's funny, is I tried to find like Back to the Future on streaming, and it's not available. So real quick, this is Discovery. This is a middle-tier load balancer. It's the key to any distributed system. This is the core to many services. So now we have Ribbon, which is a REST client, works with Eureka. Also, this enables Latency Monkey, which is a pretty popular monkey where it actually adds 5-second delays, things like that, so that you can test your clients and test failover. Circuit breakers. This is Hystrix. I've got about 3 or 4 slides on this. This is essentially, so these principles come from Release It, which is an awesome book. You guys should check it out. Right? Things like bulkheads, things like swim lanes, things like quick recovery, fast failover. So here we have the turbine. This is a huge dashboard that actually shows all the different services. There's tons of data here. Kind of shows the blips throughout the system, things failing over quickly. Some more Hystrix stuff. Obviously circuit breaker on the right. So Hystrix does collapsing of requests to for optimization. It'll also cache similar requests coming in for the same data. Servo, this is the metrics library. I've got it integrated right now with Graphite and with CloudWatch. The cool thing about CloudWatch is you can set up auto-scale triggers directly with Amazon, right? I think at last, it was based on requests per second. So as you hit a certain RPS, then it starts to auto-scale. So putting it all together, this is kind of an interesting slide. Shows sort of region isolation and then the availability zone isolation, right? Yes, isolation there. So these are some of the other key projects here. Yes, I use like a lot of these. It's just, there's just too much to talk about, so you can go look at that. But the Simian Army, that's the big thing. Chaos Monkey and Latency Monkey. So Flux supports both Cassandra and DynamoDB. I'm kind of leaning towards Dynamo just because, while it's all fun and cool to set up Cassandra and see it start to accept requests, it's just a pain in the ass to maintain. So here we have deployment. So everyone knows Asgard, right? That became famous during the Obama campaign. I'm starting to get into Beanstalk a little bit. Sounds kind of weird and not so cool, but like it really helped me out. Just doing things quickly and being able to like demo things quickly for my clients. So here's the roadmap here, basically more clients, more use cases, trying to use more Amazon services, caching, and that's it. I have t-shirts.